Hi, this is Lucy from PDFmyURL. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use cURL to convert web pages to PDF on the command line. We'll use two examples, one to convert a URL to PDF, and one to convert HTML to PDF. Let's start and go to the terminal. Suppose we want to convert the web page PDFmyURL.com to PDF. All we need to do is use the following cURL command. This will store the PDF as result.pdf. As you can see, we use two parameters only, the license for our service and the URL that we want to convert. Of course, you can use additional parameters to control the layout of the PDF if you like, but that's stuff for another demo. So for now, all we need is this simple line to get the job done. As you can see, this is a PDF of the web page PDFmyURL.com. Now let's continue to our second example. In this example, we will start with a file named example.html that contains raw HTML. Suppose we want to convert that to PDF. All we need to do is use the following cURL command. This will store the PDF as result2.pdf. As you can see, we use two parameters only, the license for our service and the HTML file that we want to convert. It really is that simple. As you can see, this is a PDF of the example HTML that we used. If you want to use these examples for yourself, then please visit pdfmyurl.com and get started.